Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. In this video, we are going to see how you can fix or resolve the error which says microphone or camera access is denied in Clipchamp. So we have a quick fix for that, and without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So all you have to do is just go to the start menu right here and right here settings. And from here on the settings, we can see on the left hand side, we have privacy and security. Now on the right hand side, we can see a long menu right here. All you have to do is just go to this app permissions right here. And if you're having the problem with the camera or just a microphone, or let's say both, you can resolve it one by one. So let's start with the camera. Let's click here. Now here, make sure that the Clipchamp is properly installed. And if it is properly installed, it will show you the option right here to enable that. So once it is there, you can make sure that it is set to on. And also from the master access in the camera, make sure it is turned on as well, and do the same thing for this microphone right here. So let's go to the microphone now and just make sure that your app is showing right here, and you can simply turn that on. Let's say it was this one. So turn that on, and also make sure that the master controls is also on. So let's say anywhere here is the Clipchamp, something like this. So let's enable that. And that should solve your problem. So this was a pretty straightforward video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, mention down in the comments if it works. And I'll see you in the next one.